Baby, welcome back to the channel. I hope that your day is off to an amazing start. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, you guys, we will be decorating my master suite. If you guys did not get an opportunity to check out how I laid out my master bedroom for Christmas, you just missed out. But guess what? You have a second chance to see how I beautify my master suite. But a portion of this video is in collaboration with Empress Home. So they sent me out two beautiful duvet covers, but this one in particular, we are going to use this beautiful duvet. I wish you can see it, but let me tell you, it's cream and gold and royal blue and navy blue. It has some green in it. This is really pretty. I thought this would be a really beautiful comforter. You can use this in the springtime and in the wintertime. So we are going to decorate my master bedroom with this beautiful duvet cover. So Empress Home duvet covers are different. Different how? I am so glad that you asked. Well, first off, all of the products are certified by the Cotton Egyptian Association for purity, so that the customer can be certain that they are receiving a genuine 100% Egyptian cotton product. Pure, authentic Egyptian cotton. That's a plus. Well, Empress Home provides a non-toxic, skin-friendly sleeping environment, making sure that we won't be bothered by any smells, allergies, and itching of any kind. I'm gonna tell y'all what I like most about this duvet cover is that it prevents unwanted odors by absorbing bacteria and sweat up to 50% faster than any regular smegular cotton, to reduce more than 99.9% of bacteria, which is going to keep those sheets fresh and has fewer washes. Now, second of all, look how beautiful and rich this duvet look. I wish you guys were here where you can see it and feel it in person. The colors are so rich and so beautiful. And guess what? It has absolutely no wrinkles. Now, I'm going to do you a favor and put the link to the website and a coupon code down below. You could thank me later. The curved bottom of these sheets. You see how they curve? You know how most sheets have the it's square at the bottom. I love that these are curved. It's nice. I love that. So I'm gonna leave that out like that since it's curved. And I also love the fact that, let me turn the camera around, that they don't have a lot of wrinkles in it. And it's in these sheets. I absolutely love that. Okay. So let me see how easy it is to put the duvet on. Yes.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Keep watching.
But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away.